Yes, Akshara, am I audible to you?
Sir,
Okay, so please tell me in which class do you study?
I'm class in third B.
Oh, that's great. You study in class 3rd B. I'm
Yes,
going
sir.
to ask some questions to you. Please tell me how many types of sentences in English?
There are four type of sentences in English.
Very good, beta. And could you tell me how many tenses are there in English?
There are 12 tenses in English.
Could you tell me the name of 12 tenses?
Yes, sir. Present simple, past simple, future simple. Present continuous, past continuous, future continuous. Present perfect, past perfect, future perfect. Present perfect continuous, past perfect continuous, future perfect continuous.
दैट्स ग्रेट मेरी बच्ची. आई थिंक आपकी क्लास में 3rd में किसी को इनके नाम नहीं पता होंगे. सभी बच्चों को लगता होगा 3 टेंस होते हैं, प्रेजेंट, पास्ट एंड फ्यूचर, बट इन इंग्लिश टोटल वी हैव 12 tenses मेरा बच्चा. एंड कुड यू गिव मी सम एग्जांपल्स ऑफ हेल्पिंग वर्ब अक्षरा?
Um, uh,
दैट्स ग्रेट. आपकी आवाज थोड़ी सी बीच में ब्रेक हो रही है, बट आपके बोलने से मुझे पता चला आपने बोला इज, एम आर, वॉच वर, हैज, हैव, डू, डज. आपने यही बोला अक्षरा. सो प्लीज टेल मी इन विच टेंस डू वी यूज डू, डज एज अ हेल्पिंग वर्ब?
simple.
Present simple. What is the second form of do?
Did.
Did. In which tense do we use did?
Past simple.
That's great. In which tense do we use is, mr plus ing?
Present continuous.
In which tense do you use was verb plus ing?
Past continuous.
Will be plus ing.
Future continuous.
Has, have plus third form.
Present perfect.
Had plus third form.
Perfect.
Give me some examples of modal verbs.
Can, could, should, must.
That's great. That's great. Can, could, shall, should, must, ought to, need to, dare to, may, might. These are the examples of modal verbs. Okay, Akshara, I'm going to ask some more questions to you because मैं आपको फंसाना चाहता हूँ. मैं आपको पकड़ना चाहता हूँ कहीं से. मैं देखना चाहता हूँ आपको क्या नहीं आता. बट मुझे लगता है आपको सब कुछ आता है. Can you speak in English?
Yes, sir. I can speak in English.
Can you fight with me?
No, sir. I can't fight with you.
That's great, beta. Should you go to school?
Yes, sir. I go to school.
I should go to school. That's great, beta. And can you fight with Akshara? Antara, sorry. Can you fight with Antara?
I can't fight with Antara.
Is your sister?
Yes, sir.
Oh, that's great. What is your mother's name?
My mother's name is Suvarna Dhakne.
That's great, beta. And do you help your father?
Yes, sir. I help my father.
Okay. And do you go to school every day?
Yes, sir. I go to school every day.
Why do you learn English, Akshara?
To speak.
That's great, beta. To speak in English. That's why you are learning English. And do you like the way I teach you?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Do you understand everything?
Sir.
Okay, Akshara, I think I don't have anything to ask to you. You know everything. You are lying. आप 3rd क्लास में नहीं है. आप कम से कम 8th क्लास में हैं बेटा. Okay, please tell me how many types of voice. मुझे 2 voices के नाम बताओ चलो.
Passive voice.
दोबारा बताओ बेटा.
Active voice. Passive voice.
Active voice and passive voice. Is ever plus third form लगा है तो active voice है कि passive voice है?
Passive voice.
Was verb plus third form कौन से tense passive voice का tense है?
Past.
Past का passive बिल्कुल. और will be plus third form लगा हो तो passive voice कौन से tense का बनता है बेटा?
Future simple.
My God, my God. Have you taken dinner?
Yes, sir. I have taken dinner.
That's great. क्या पूछूं इस लड़की से, कैसे फंसाऊं इसको? ओके चलो, ट्रांजिटिव इंट्रांजिटिव 9th क्लास का टॉपिक. अगर किसी वर्ब के पीछे ऑब्जेक्ट है तो डू वी से दिस वर्ब इज ट्रांजिटिव और इंट्रांजिटिव? अगर ऑब्जेक्ट है तो ट्रांजिटिव है कि इंट्रांजिटिव?
Intransitive.
ओह माय गॉड, दैट्स ग्रेट बेटा. और अगर 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 क्या व्हाट इज सब्जेक्ट?
Subject is a.
सब्जेक्ट इज द